Good day everyone. In this video, I will be showing you how to insert header and footer on your Google Docs document. This tutorial should be pretty straightforward and really easy to follow, so anyone should be able to do this if you watch carefully. Now, let's get started. Do not worry if you're not familiar with the whole interface of Google Docs, as I will be here to guide you and show you the step-by-step process on how to do so. Now, to begin with, please ensure that the Google Chrome you are using is currently up to date so that we will not encounter any errors along the way. Now, as you can see on my screen, I am currently on a Google Docs document. Here we have a sample essay or paragraph, and what I would like to do is to insert a header and a footer as well. Now, how do we do that? It is actually quite simple. As you can see, I do not have a header yet. Now, how do I add one? Just head over to this blank space on your document right over here and then click on it twice. If it redirects you to the footer, just click on the top portion once again so that it will redirect you to the header itself. Now, as you can see, what it says is header. Here we can type what we would like to be the header of this document right here. Let's say, for example, I would like it to be and then on the right side is the current date. Now let's say I'm satisfied with this one. How do I save it? Just click anywhere on the document, and now, as you can see, it is now the header of our document. Even if there are multiple pages of our document, all of the pages has now this header. But how do we add a footer? A footer can be useful if you would like to put page numbers and more. In order to put a footer, we would do the same thing that we did with header. Head over to the bottom of your document, and as you can see, we have a blank space right over here. Just click on it twice, and as you can see, it will open up the footer tab. Now, we can put whatever we want on this footer. Let's say, for example, I would like it to be subscribe. To save it, just click anywhere on the document as well. And now, as you can see, all of the pages now has this footer. Even if there are multiple pages, all of the pages contains this footer as well as the header. And as simple as that, we have created ourselves or inserted a header and footer on Google Docs. If you learned something in this video, please do not forget to subscribe and consider dropping a like. If you want to see more of this, we have created a dedicated playlist for Google Docs tutorial on our YouTube channel. Be sure to check it out. From here, I will see you guys next time, and thank you so much for watching this video.